Oh my goodness, this one. I looked at this problem at first and went, what on earth are they asking? And I had to go back and reread it again to really get a handle on it. It's just strange. It's strange. It just is. For the exponential function f, the value of f of 1 is k, where k is a constant. Which of the following equivalent forms of the function f shows the value of k as the coefficient or the base? Ay. Yeah. I don't think this really does a lot of testing your math ability as your ability to kind of just untangle their word web that they have woven. Look at our options here. We're going to start with the answers and work backward is the best way to do this one. Honestly, I think the best way to explain what's going on. Look at all the exponents here first. We'll kind of ignore that 50, 80, 128, 204 point. They don't really matter at this stage. Those could all be 50, honestly. All of them could be 50. All of them could be 80. It wouldn't matter. This is where the key is. X plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2. Now, if I looked at this, and that's a clue that all four of these are different. If some of them were the same, like if this was also x plus 1, or if all of them were x plus 1, that would be your clue that the numbers are what mattered. But no, these are all different. So that's your biggest clue here. That is the key. The 1.6's stay the same, so that doesn't matter. But the x's changing those exponentials, that's going to make a big difference in how these look. So if f of 1 is k, what happens when we put 1 in each of these? Well, here we would have, for our first problem, we would have 50 times 1.6 to the power of 1 plus 1, or 2. For b, we would have 80 times 1.6 to the power of x, which is just 1, so 80 times 1.6. For c, we would have 128 times 1.6 to the power of x minus 1, 1 minus 1, or 0. And the last one, we would get 204.8 times 1.6 to the power of x minus 2, 1 minus 2, or negative 1. Now, what are we going to get if we multiply these all out? 50 times 1.6 squared gives me 128. 80 times 1.6 squared, or excuse me, times 1.6 gives me 128. 1.6 to the power of 0 is just 1, so 128 times 1 gives me 128. I'm sensing a trend here, aren't you? So 204.8 times 1.6 to the power of negative 1 gives you guessed it, 128. Okay. Isn't that interesting? They all give us 128. So what is our question? Which of the following equivalent forms of the function f shows the value of k as the coefficient or the base? Now, what was k, the value of k? The value of f of 1 is k. K is saying, what answer do I get when I plug 1 into these equations? So these are k. K is 128 because we get that every single time. So in each of these, k is 128. If I put this number 1 into this equation, I do my math, I get 128 every time. It's like, okay, so I know k is equal to 128. So which one shows k as the coefficient or the base? The base of the exponent is right here, that 1.6. Do any of these show 128 as the base? No. So the coefficient is the number out in front that it's being multiplied by. Which one of these has 128 as its coefficient? Ding, ding, ding. 128 times 1.6 to the power of x minus 1. C is our answer. That's just a weird problem. It just is. If this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.